Mostar, located in Bosnia and Herzegovina, is a charming city known for its rich history, stunning scenery and vibrant culture. With its famous bridge over the Neretva River, Mostar has become a popular tourist destination. Whether you are planning a trip to Mostar or just want to admire its beauty from afar, capturing its scenery with a drone offers a unique view that showcases the charm of this wonderful city from above. One of Mostar's main attractions is the Old Bridge, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This magnificent stone bridge is not only an architectural marvel, but also a symbol of unity and reconciliation among the people of Mostar. In addition to its architectural attractions, Mostar also boasts a lively atmosphere with bustling markets, charming cobblestone streets and many traditional stores selling handmade crafts and local specialties. Exploring the Old Town area allows travelers to immerse themselves in authentic Bosnian culture. The city is surrounded by picturesque mountains that offer breathtaking views of the landscape. Hiking enthusiasts can take to trails that lead to stunning lookouts overlooking the city, or venture further into the countryside to find more challenging routes. A visit to the city of Mostar allows travelers to experience an enchanting blend of history and natural splendor. From the famous bridge to the charming old town, this Bosnian gem promises an unforgettable journey.